Hey y'all, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new today, hi and welcome. My name is Hannah. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm really excited because we're going to be doing a fun, sexy twist on a hot fairy tale classic. I'm about to say Hollywood classic, but it's a fairy tale classic. Today I'm going to be doing a sexy Snow White look. So this is somewhat inspired by the Disney movie. This is somewhat inspired just by what I think Snow White would do if she wanted to add a little oomph to her look. So let's go ahead and get right on into this makeup tutorial. I hope you got out your makeup at home and you got your brushes, because this is a very, very simple look that we are doing today. It is a very, very simple eye look. So I'm going to be using my Makeup Geek eyeshadow palette. This is just my go-to eyeshadow palette for everyday wear. So first what I'm going to do is take the shade Creme Brûlée, and I'm going to be applying that to my crease, and I'm going to be using this Urban Decay eyeshadow brush to apply it, because all of my other brushes are currently dirty, but I'm trying to hold out until Thursday to wash my brushes, because that is the days that I wash my eyeshadow brushes and all my other brushes on. I'm going to be going into the shade So Pale, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid with this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. Now, I have to make a small confession. I actually do not really like the Snow White movie. When I was coming up for this idea for this tutorial, I was watching Snow White on Disney Plus, and I have to say that is probably the dumbest Disney movie I have ever seen in my entire life. I can't stand the mom watch, or the reading part, or whatever they call it. I cannot stand that part. To me, that part just does not make any sense. And to me, the movie is just kind of annoying. I don't really like the way that she speaks, but I know it was a different time when they filmed those movies and everything. But yeah, I thought I would just make that small confession that I actually really don't like Snow White. But I know it has a fan base, so that's cool. That's great. I don't want to offend anybody. If that's your movie, that is good. That is great. But for me personally, I just don't enjoy it. Some definition, and just to deepen everything up a bit, I'm going to go into the shade Cheetah, and I'm going to be applying that to the outer half of my lid and into my crease. I'm going to do things a little bit different today with this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and curl my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler, and then I'm going to go in with some mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is from Milk Makeup. But after this, I'm going to be hopping off camera, and I'm going to be doing my foundation, my concealer, and my powder, and I'm also going to be doing my winged eyeliner. Now, when I come back or whatever, I will explain what products I use for those. But the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to do a winged liner look with this little eyeshadow look that we got going on, and then I'll hop back on here and we will do my false lashes. So really quickly, I'm going to be curling my lashes again with the e.l.f. eyelash curler and using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara on my lashes. So I did my foundation and my concealer and my powder. I used the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I used the NYX HD concealer, and then I used my Hard Candy loose translucent setting powder to set everything in place. So now I am back, and I've decided to be a big girl, and I'm going to do my winged liner on camera. Even though I'm not the greatest at it, I feel like as I improve with my winged liner skills, this will be a good thing for me to look back on, and maybe one day you'll laugh at and be like, ha ha ha, look at that, like that was really bad. So I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. This is just in the shade of Black is Black. I picked this up because Jaclyn Hill said that this was her favorite gel eyeliner, and gel eyeliners in little pots like these I have felt like works better for me, because it's a little bit hard for me to hold a regular eyeliner, and it's a lot easier for me to hold a little brush. So that is why I personally like it, just because it's a personal preference thing. It's a lot easier for me to work with and control. I'm going to be using this tiny angled liner brush to apply it. So let's go ahead and get right on into it. off when I was doing my left eye over here, and I'm kind of glad that it did because this eye is a hot freaking mess. I've tried it for at least 30 minutes now to get it even, and I give up. I don't know. So we're just going to move on, and we're just going to pretend like my winged liner is a flawless. I'm sure those of you watching this at home, you probably know how to do decent eyeliner, so you don't really need me to teach you how to do that. So we're just going to leave it at that, and we're just going to move on with the rest of the tutorial. Now the wings are optional, but I wanted to add the wings because I feel like it's going to add a little bit of extra oomph to the eye look. So moving on, now I'm going to go into my Kiss 5D Mink lashes. These are in the style Belle, and these are just bold and dramatic, which is why I wanted to use them. Plus, too, they're going to cover up a little bit that wing and all those mistakes that I just made. To apply them, I'm going to be using my Beauty Big Bang Metal Eyelash Applicator, and then I'm going to be using my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. Alright, so now I'm going to be moving on to the lower lash line area. So I want my eyes to be bright, big, and awake. So I'm going to be using a little bit of white eyeliner into my waterline. Because Snow White's dress is blue, it's only appropriate that we do add a pop of blue to this look. So I'm going to be going into that royal blue shadow right there next to the gray. And I'm going to be applying that to my lower lash line with this e.l.f. concealer brush. Now I'm going to be using my Milk Kush Makeup Mascara on my lower lashes. Now I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola bronzer to warm up my complexion. I absolutely love this bronzer. This is my favorite everyday go-to bronzer, and to apply it, I'm going to be using this big fluffy brush. Next, I'm going to be applying some blush, and I'm going to be using the Tarte blush. This is in the shade Quirky. This is just a really pretty, peaky, toned blush, and I just think it's a really perfect blush for this look. It is kind of on the medium pigmented spectrum. It's not overly pigmented, but it's pigmented enough. I am going to build this blush up because I want a nice blushy complexion and a nice rosy complexion, but you can fit this to fit your style however you see fit. Now it's time for a highlighter, and highlighter is one of my favorite things about makeup, so I wanted something that's super glowy. So for today's highlighter, I'm using the Milani Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade Dulce Pearla, and this is just what it looks like. It is a really pretty highlight, and to apply it, I'm going to be using this cheek highlight brush. I'm also going to be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes as well, using this double-ended perfusion brush. I'm going to be using this little flat side right here to highlight the inner corners. Last but certainly not least, to tie this all off, is the red lips. So for today, I'm going to be using the NYX. This is their Satin Love Lipsticks. This is in the shade Red Hottie, and this is just what it looks like. It's a really pretty cherry red color, and I feel like it is perfect because it is the exact color that Snow White's lips kind of are. If you go to the Disney theme parks, or if you've ever been, this is kind of what the actress that plays her wears. So I feel like this is a really pretty color and that this is going to work perfectly. Now, I did order a lip liner to go with this lipstick offline because this does feather out over your lip line, and you do need a lip liner with it. And my other red lip liner had just gotten really old and it started to smell weird. It smelled like a box of crayons, so I just decided to throw that away and purchase a new one. However, the lip liner that I ordered, it's still in California, so I have no idea when it's going to get here. I'm now getting on a week with not having it, so I just couldn't really wait any longer for it because, I mean, I needed to go ahead and get this tutorial over with. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this lipstick, but if you do have this lipstick at home, or if you go out and purchase this lipstick, get a lip liner because it does feather out over your lip line. But I'm going to try to fix that the best I can with concealer afterwards. Alrighty, y'all, so that is it for this kind of sexy, seductive Snow White look. I really hope that you all did enjoy this tutorial. I love the way that it turned out. Now, I'd also like to add, too, that this could kind of pass as like a pinup costume as well. Maybe or maybe not leave out the blue on the lower lash line. I don't know. But I kind of like the blue. I feel like it's a really fun pop. So, yeah, I really hope that you all did enjoy this video. And let me know down below in the comments what you're going to be going as for Halloween on Saturday. Now, I have a really fun and really cute look coming up for Saturday as well for y'all for Halloween. So, y'all are definitely going to want to stick around for that because that is a really cute look. It's still super festive and super fun. So, if you don't want to dress up, you can totally just do your makeup like this and you can still be totally festive and have fun because I really cannot wait for y'all to see Saturday's video. And I also can't wait to see if you kind of recreate this look or not, because I feel like this look is really pretty as well. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there if you haven't already, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursday, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media as well, so that way you can keep up with me, you can keep tabs on me, and you can keep a lookout when I post and upload new videos. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Saturday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.